Hey guys, Cindy Otter here with my Artsy Endeavours. I wanted to show you, I've been working on this today, and I want to show you what I've got going on here. I'll move my sewing machine out of the way. I just made this. I actually brought home a whole bunch of the Food Lion paper bags, which is a grocery store here. And I wanted to make a journal out of them. Well, this was just the piece that I cut off for the size of journal that I wanted. So I decided I wanted to go ahead and make a journal. So what I did, this is being glued, I just glued that on there. What I did is I took all these pieces, you can see the size, and I did some paint on them, I did a little bit of scribbling, I did some stenciling, I sewed around the edges, and then I just did a 3-hole pamphlet stitch to put them together. And then I was just sitting here working on this, and I decided to throw down, I've got some fabric and lace here, some lace and fabric that I've painted on, and then I have this little guy that I made, I don't know, a while ago. And so anyways, I thought I'd glue that on. So this is just the offcuts of the Food Lion grocery bags. The other thing I wanted to show you is this. This is a piece of material that I picked up at a location called Scrap Exchange. It's up in Durham, North Carolina, and it's basically like a reuse center. And I saw this, and it was $2. And I was like, that is such a cool journal cover. Ta-da! We have a piece of cardboard in it. And guess what? We have ourselves a journal cover. So I'm still trying to decide if I want to make it look pretty. I don't know. I like this. I kind of like it like this. I haven't decided yet. That's why I haven't done any gluing or sewing or anything yet, because I haven't decided. What do you think? Do you think I should leave it with all this stuff on the edges, or do you think I should make it look pretty on the edges? What do you think? This would be the journal that would look pretty. So give me your ideas, let me know, and I'll let you know what I decide to do. I think that's upside down. It was. No, it's not. It's this way. Trying to decide what's up right side. I don't care. It doesn't matter. Anyways, so yeah, that's what I've been doing. And do me a favor and just let me know. All right? All right, guys. We'll chat soon. Bye.